Hello, today I want to talk about a kind of touchy subject um, called abortion. Many people, it's a hard subject to talk about because, I hear, people make mistakes, when they're young. But I personally believe in pro-life and the ability to, if you do decide to have an abortion because of family situations and things, that happen in your life, that you're able to move forward from that mistake. But I personally, I'm against abortion. um Now, let's say 3 years ago, I had a miscarriage. I was 6 months pregnant with a little boy, Gabriel Xavier. That's what me and my husband named him. And it was pretty hurtful because one of the doctors called my little boy medical waste. Because nowadays, that's what doctors believe a baby is tissue, is medical waste. And it was very heartbreaking for me. And at night I would cry, and say, why, and I would talk, because I believe in God, and I would be like, God, why? And I just had to, be able to just move on from that. But it was hard to hear that because many doctors believe that, it's just medical waste. It's just medical waste. Just get rid of it. And what is hard for me is that at 9 weeks, when you are pregnant, you're able to hear that baby's heartbeat. So I want to know, how is that medical trash or medical waste or a tissue? What some doctors say. Um, and I totally believe that adoption is an option. And I believe that, maybe one day I can adopt because it's been 3 years and me and my husband, we have infertility issues. And I believe maybe one day we can adopt because that is the most viable option. And, it can help a little baby have a true loving mother and father. Um, and I have heard this a lot of times too when I do like, voice my opinion. Um, I did have a little girl, well, a teenager, one of my friends, when we were in 10th grade maybe. Um, she did get raped and she got pregnant. And I honestly convinced her to, give birth to the baby and have somebody adopt it. And I told her, I said, this is your own flesh and blood. Why would you want to just abort something that is you? Yes, that's a horrid thing to ever happen to somebody. And I do not wish that on anybody because I cannot imagine what somebody would do in that situation. And many do, abort because of that. But in my personal opinion, I really don't think that is a viable option. Um, and I feel like, abortion is not the way to go when it comes to babies because babies are such a gift from Jesus. It's such a gift from God. And you cannot, they're blessings. And you just don't abort a little baby that is a part of you. Thank you.